If you use Word to create technical documents, you may need to include a list of files and subfolders contained within a folder. In this quick tip, I show you how easily this can be done. The easiest way to grab a list of files and subfolders within a folder is actually done outside of Word. Just go ahead and press the Win-E key, and you'll see the File Explorer displayed on your screen. Use the controls in the File Explorer to go ahead and navigate to the place that contains all the files whose names you want to copy into your document. Now go ahead and press Ctrl-A, and all of those files are selected. At this point, this is where the secret sauce occurs. All you have to do is hold down the Shift key as you right-click on the list of files. It doesn't matter which one you right-click on, but it's very important that you hold down the Shift key. Now you want to go ahead and choose this option right down here, Copy as Path. And when you do, you can then go back to your Word document and press Ctrl-V. And now all of the names of those documents and subfolders are included in your document, and you can work with them very easily. I hope you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, please click the subscribe button and then click the bell icon. That way you'll be informed whenever I add a new video to the Word Tips channel. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.